Hello everyone, I'm Shashank Dadij from Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the fuses and the HRC fuse. Electric power system is a network of electrical components which is used to supply, transmit and the use of electric power. Over the current protection devices are essential in the electrical system to limit threats to human life and property damages. Fuse is the simplest and cheapest device used for interrupting an electrical circuit under short circuit or excessive overloads. There are some basic definitions. Fuse is a current interrupting device which breaks the circuit by fusing the element when current in the circuit exceeds to its certain value. Fuse wire. It is a part of fuse which melts due to the excessive current flowing through the circuit. Fuse link. It is a part of the fuse which needs replacement when the fuse blows out. Rated voltage. Design of the fuse should be such that rated voltage must be greater than the nominal operating voltage of the circuit. Normal rated current. Maximum current that the fuse can continuously conduct without interrupting the circuit. There are the types of fuses. Fuses can be divided in low voltage fuses, dropout fuses, striker fuse, switch fuse and high voltage HRC fuses. Low voltage fuses can also divided in rewirable fuses, Cartesius fuse. Rewirable fuses are also divided into two parts, open type and semi-enclosed type. Similarly, the Cartesius type fuse are D type of Cartesius fuse and link type Cartesius or HRC fuse, high rupturing capacity fuses. Advantages of fuse. It is the cheapest form of protection available. It needs no maintenance. It interrupts short circuit current without noise, flame, gas or smoke. The minimum time of operation can be made much smaller than that with the circuit breakers. The smaller size of fuse elements imposes a current limiting effect under short circuit, and the last one is its inverse time current characteristics enables its use for overload protection. Next is the HRC fuse, high rupturing capacity fuse. Where large concentration of power are concerned, as in the modern distribution system, it is essential that fuses should have a definite known breaking capacity, and also this breaking capacity should have a high value. HRC fuse, the fuse has the fuse element surrounded by an inert or quenching medium in completely enclosed in an outer body of ceramic material having good mechanical strength. The unit in which the fuse element is enclosed is called fuse link. HRC fuse is high rupturing capacity fuse. At the time of fault, it disconnects the circuit very fast. There is no flashover occurred. If we talk about the construction of HRC fuse, then it is made from the ceramic body with metal and cap. Fuse element is silver conductor. Size is vary according to its usage, according to ratio. It's airtight. Filling powder is silica sand. Heat at the time of fault convert melt silica into the glass. There is the diagram. An HRC fuse is a type of Cartesius fuse in which the fuse element is enclosed within a transparent capsule, usually made up of Statite, a ceramic material having good mechanical strength. Silver or copper is normally used as the fuse element due to its low specific resistance. The fuse element normally has two or more sections joined by means of tin joints. The working of HRC fuse is under the normal load condition, the fuse conductor is at the temperature below its melting point. At fault load condition, whenever a fault occurs, the fuse conductor is at above its melting point due to high current and breaks down. On the occurrence of a fault, the current flowing through the fuse element exceeds its predefined maximum value and the temperature of the fusing element rises, which results melting of the silver element, which the condition is known as pre-arcing. Then second one is the vaporization of the element, arcing condition, fusion of silver vapor and filling powder, and the last one of is arc extinction. If we talk about the advantages of HRC fuse, then it is high speed, it has a high speed response, reliable, no maintenance and cheaper. There is a disadvantage also that we have to replace it manually after the each operation. Thank you so much.